This is Karen Ranzi of Feel Fabulous with Food. I'm excited to tell you about the exclusive one-time new Ultimate Raw Vegan Bundle. You will be so surprised to see all of the beautiful recipes. Over 400 unique, easy recipes are in the new Ultimate Raw Vegan Bundle. And if you take a look at some of these dishes, you will just be blown away. Get it now by going and clicking on the link in the description below and check out what Lissa has to say about all of the delicious food that you'll be preparing.
Are you ready for something big? The wait is finally over. The 2023 Ultimate Raw Vegan Bundle is back. This brand new bundle is a game changer for anyone who wants to add more raw food to their life. You don't even need to be a raw vegan to enjoy everything we have for you in this bundle. With 40 brand new, never before released ebooks and other content worth over $1,800, this collection is a treasure trove of raw food inspiration and creativity. This all-raw bundle is a one-of-a-kind collaboration of raw food experts from around the world, each contributing their unique flavor and creativity. It's more than just a collection of ebooks. It's an opportunity to awaken your taste buds, learn new information, get re-inspired, and nourish your body with the most vibrant and delicious raw food recipes out there. Every year, the Raw Vegan Bundle is different, with new content to help you move towards a healthier and more vibrant life. This year, we have also created the annual Collector's Edition group collaboration ebook, where we all got together to contribute our favorite recipes. This year's theme is Appetizer Favorites. With 37 contributors and 41 recipes, this ebook is a must-have for snacks, entertaining, and fun. This ebook is only available in this bundle and will not be available for purchase at any time after. So if you like to collect and you like appetizers, check it out. Scroll down through this website and get a glimpse at all the unique contributions to this new Raw Vegan Bundle. From hundreds of fabulous recipes to things specific to yoga, workouts, mindset, food freedom, self-love, and more. 40 brand new ebooks worth over $1,800 for only $50? Are you serious? Why are you guys doing this? Is there a catch? Well, there is one catch. This incredible bundle is only available once in 2023 and only from May 1st to the 11th. We want to provide all of our new content for you as a super special for you to get started and get inspired. We will sell all of the new content after the bundle, but you won't be able to get everything for this price ever again. This specific collection for this price is unique to this event only. Once you click the Buy Now and Pay, you'll get an email link sent directly to you to download all of the content. If you don't get that email, please send us an email at blessings@ultimaterawveganbundle.com and we can help get that email to you. You have 1 year to download all of the content, so please do so in a timely manner. Once you download the content onto your device, you have access to those files indefinitely, as long as you keep them safe. We recommend backing up all of the files onto a USB stick, external drive, or you could put them on the cloud like Google Drive or Dropbox. This keeps them safe in case anything happens to your main device. Don't forget, we also have our bundle event happening right now. If you click on the top right-hand corner of the screen on the website, it says the 2023 live events schedule. If you click on that, it'll bring you to a page with all of the live events. You can click on any of the dates to expand and see who is going live with who and what topics. So you can arrange your day and join in, ask questions, and learn more from all of us who are part of this event this year. You do not want to miss out on this unique opportunity to get your hands on everyone's brand new creations, some of the best raw vegan content out there. So what are you waiting for? Click the link below to purchase the 2023 Ultimate Raw Vegan Bundle and start experiencing the incredible flavors and joy of a raw food diet like never before. Get the 2023 Ultimate Raw Vegan Bundle today before it's gone.
So go to that link below in the description to get your exclusive Ultimate Raw Vegan Bundle. You will not regret it for a minute. Don't contact me on May 12th because the bundle will be gone. Do it by May 11th. And I'll see you on the next video.